regarding society and secularism, along with the circularity of culture and the escape of it condoned after we escape predestination. Equivocity onto reconnecting with the past. Nostalgia exists because of the reminiscing of actualized innovation rather than generalized one. And due to the flow of time, it eventually evolved onto a delusional domain. Innovation leads to more innovation, which leads to generalization, which leads to crisis of innovation, which leads to the reconnection with culture to establish society again. It's recursive. A category error between the conscious and unconscious, which is just stabilized by the mediation of them onto modal order so that we can dialectically advance as a society. It's the unconcealed-concealed-unconcealed motion. Blinking is the natural state of society. A set of ever-changing and inconsistent waves which reveal historical correlation to causation. And the concealment of the causation leading to the collapse of correlation, which ends with aforementioned. Social collapse ethically and concretely due to the lack of will and reason. Truth is that the meaning is the lack of meaning in your free will to engage in your own self. The only subject which is ethically subsistent is the subject which experiences itself. The truth is that the average is not the truth but only the concealment of it, whereof truth is actually difference, which is purificative rather than terminative due to externalizing, proving analogy as the key to the universe. The unconcealing is generally taken as scary for most due to the break of habit, when those habits themselves are the burden which breaks innovation. The mediation average will be taken as actual, which will make the following inferences be based upon a false premise. Therapy is vital, as it breaks the coping redundancy so that we reach the actual truth towards functionality. Secular societies always face collapse, whereof ones who are integral and transpersonal face innovation. There will be a crisis of lack of meaning in a century from now, as in a circular branch of causality, which is normalized due to generalization. They will only be cured when they rediscover spirituality in culture, as analogy being used to uncover the actual first cause which begats the meaning that is led downwards. We need history to live, otherwise we just survive. They will realize that statistics reflect the appearance and not the structure nor basis and interpretation. This is mere univocity, and only with the adoption of religion back may that gap in the self be filled to reach normalcy back. I'm warning for you to not delve in equivocity in agnosticism, but rather embrace the difference and know that this is exactly what makes us human. Statistics don't reflect the self, not appearance. Just how the appearance